3, 2, 1, good. Okay.
Oh, nice.
And it's going to look really nice. And then, just to prove to people that you did it, I did it, and we did it, you turn it around, and you go high. And we're not even winded or anything. We've already hiked 3 miles on. Sorry,
Yeah.
3 miles, not even breathing hard or anything.
know.
You haven't sneezed.
I'm not even sweating
You threw
yet.
up in my car 3 times because you had morning sickness. Okay. And what else? We ran over 3 rabbits.
And a snake.
And a snake. This is the only bad part right here.
Oh, okay.
This is the only steep part right here.
This is like potato chip.
A little bit.
But the other one is like that the whole time.
But it's different all the time because rain, erosion, you know, the sand. It's gonna be like this most of the time now.
Okay.
Except when we climb on those rocks up there. And these rattlesnake holes right there.
Yeah. It didn't take it a long time.
That's not a rattlesnake hole.
No?
No.
What is it? Just a hole?
Those little tiny mice.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Yeah. It is 6:30 in the morning. Most people are still asleep.
Or should be asleep.
Should be. No way. Should be awake. And remember, I'm not a morning person. I like this rock right here. Always like that. I don't know.
Fire guy to never replace that. I need to get one.
It's so expensive too.
Yeah, they are.
Yeah. Okay. I'll put it on there. And just for what is it called? Evidence. For evidence, she told me of her bee allergy after we started the hike, and she does not have EpiPen.
I know.
Okay.
It expired.
It expired. And hopefully if something happens, I don't get blamed.
We'll call a helicopter.
But there are going to be a lot of bees. A lot of people that love bees are going to be mad at me if something does happen.
Oh, sorry.
Bye-bye. But it doesn't feel like it.
Doesn't feel like it.
I do. Well, our legs are going to feel it. And they know it. They know what's going on.
I probably won't be sore. But I know it's a different workout.
Well, that's the beauty.
I'll go.
You want me to go? Okay, I'll go watch. We'll go my pace.
Have you heard that song?
We'll go my... Nuh-uh. When you go my pace right now for about 100 steps.
My legs are shorter than yours.
Okay. I'll go twice as fast.
Where you go, I'll be watching. Or we follow you. I forgot the lyrics.
Uh-oh. Don't say that on film. Poop on the right. Poop on the right.
Huh?
Poop on the right.
Yikes.
Is it too fast?
A little bit.
A little bit. Wrong answer. No. Look at that. See how this is? All shady. All shady and nice and cool. And you're sweaty. And do-do-do-do. Is that from church?
Huh?
Is that from church?
Yeah, but we're not gonna do it tomorrow. It's Chris Tomlin. He sings that song.
Okay.
I like it.
We're almost there. We're about a quarter of a mile into the hike. 2 miles to 2 mile hike up, 2 mile hike down. Maybe a third of a mile. I'll put these all together. So cool like this. I'm just doing being a little bit more creative.
You are?
I am, yeah. I'm sorry. No, I wasn't hurt there. I was just doing it like right over your shoulder. It's your perspective.
Oh, shorter?
Your perspective.
5 inches shorter than you.
6.5.
6. Oh, whoa, nobody's counting that.
Nobody's counting.
Let me get a measuring tape.
Well, I'm 5'9.5".
6.5?
You're 5'3".
I'm 5'3".
I'm 5'9.5".
I'm very long for my torso and then short for my legs.
Yeah.
So a lot of people think that I'm taller because of my torso being so long.
Really? Okay.
And there's a word for that.
So I ended up taking a couple pictures of her.
Uh-huh.
Really cool. And then she finally got up to where I was, and I asked, how hard is it climbing up there? Because when the next time I come up there, I'm one of those, I like to do that. She goes, it's not hard. I kept to keep my balance with my sticks, but she was saying, I'm training for, okay. Well, I started talking to her, how I started hiking, this and that, everything, and then I'll never forget what she told me. She goes, you know what, you have it. What's that? You have that energy. This is your thing.
To do that. You want to go first?
I just want to do the fence along this. It looks cool walking along the fence like this with this. You're going to go, hey, it does. You're going to say that. I think you're going to agree. And then I can do like this, pan like this, and like this. And say, how do you feel now?
Better.
It feels good?
Yes.
No morning sickness still?
No morning sickness.
All right, well, it's because we're not taking those curves right here, the switchbacks. We're not going super fast like I was in the car.
Morning sickness.
From 1 week to the next.
For what?
You can see where it burned.
Oh, yeah. Have
Southwest
you seen the
Airlines.
marks and...
Southwest Airlines. Yep. I don't even know where that snake was. I've yet to figure out where it is.
The what?
That snake that I saw.
Oh, yeah.
But it was on something like this where... No, the snake that I saw here in that story. Where I was playing with it. Yeah.
Is that what you're talking about? You saw by Cuyamaca?
Yeah, the one I threw the rock at. Yeah. It's changed a little in 20 years, so I really don't know where it is. How's already the bottom of your feet?
Good.
Yeah?
I'm feeling a little bit on my big toe.
Okay.
A little bit of pressure, but no, not bad at all.
Okay.
And then you get like online dating and stuff, and then when they meet the person, they're like, "You look different."
Wait a minute.
Catfishing.
Hold
Let's
on.
go cat.
You do not want that. No, that's
Recording.
recording.
That's good. Good. Good cue.
Cue. Video.
Oh, here's another one.
Either
of those
video.
turns.
Video or recording.
Do this the right way, so I don't hurt my back.
Who?
Do this the right way, so I don't hurt my back.
All that glare from the light out there in the back.
Your back?
No, the glare. Because it's bright over there.
Uh-huh.
You know, after recording all this with the fence, I didn't realize there was so much fence. Look how high we are now. And it doesn't even feel like it. ¿Cómo la ves?
Monday?
Look how high we are now, and it never even felt like it.
Oh, this is so challenging for me. You know, I'm afraid of heights, right?
You can't be afraid of this. There's nothing.
I
Nothing's
know,
wrong.
I
Yeah,
know,
you're
but-
good.
Watch your
I handle this.
Watch your head.
Oh yeah. Clunk. Hit a branch.
Oh, that's so pretty. That looks so pretty.
It's nice, huh?
Wow. That's actually very pretty.
I know it's prettier.
It's not recording anymore. You
It,
just
it isn't? Yeah, it is.
Oh, it is. I see the flashing light.
Yeah. What are you doing back there? Are you
I'll
saying
follow you.
you're following me?
I feel more safe like that.
Really?
I don't know where I'm going.
Oh, I know you're getting lost. You want to go straight when we should have turned left earlier. And you were going to go into a bear's nest or a bear's cave. There's no bears out here. That's the good thing. Parecen comadres ellos. Parecen comadres, ¿eh?
Sí.
Híjole. All I know is, I know my friends would say it, so I'm gonna say it first. That's what I sound like.
That's what?
That's what I sound like.
What did you do?
Clean hands, man. They're practicing their comadre days late in the future. Yeah? CCC. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
What did you say I was gonna curse in Spanish?
I don't know.
You
what-
told me, yeah, you probably are gonna curse at me in Spanish when we go there but why? I can't remember what you said.
Oh man, I don't know.
¿Sí te acuerdas?
Oh, just not too long ago, right? Right now in the
Like yesterday, you were saying something.
Oh,
and I said,
yesterday.
I don't curse in Spanish.
Oh yeah, I know. I don't remember. It's so cool that I'm sweating.
You know that
I think so too. No, if you saw pictures, you probably saw the pictures of this at a pinnacle, the one on the second, because it's something like this, like stairs up. Yeah, I was over there, but this is nice.
I can do this.
It's a little slick here. That's all you got. Unless you want me to be in front of you and record you down. I've mejora. Use the rail if you need it. This is where I needed a lot of. I needed 3 stops. I was so bad last October.
Oh, when you came the first time?
Yes. Don't you love that burning feeling in your legs?
Ah.
Keep on walking up the steps. I'm gonna do something else so I can get you recorded, okay? I know I'm not gonna fall, I hope, but I wanna record you. Like this.
You know how afraid of heights I am? I'm not even looking that way.
Oh no, you can, you're good. You're good there. Just keep on going. And, ay. Hold on. Ya mero. And you're gonna make it to the top. Oh yeah, you can just be like over there for about 30 minutes. Just kidding, bro. Just kidding. No, no, you're good.
No, he's not.
Whatever you do, Ernie, don't fall. Why? Because it hurts. And it'll be embarrassing. And expensive. Everything hurts. Look at that. I should climb up there. I've never done that. You want to hold the camcorder? The GoPro?
What are you doing? Is it recording right now?
Yeah.
What do you want me to record?
Can you just...
Oh my goodness, hold on.
Can you hold this?
You know that I'm afraid of heights, right?
Yes.
Okay, I'm trying to find my...
Recording.
Especially saying that.
Are you gonna be? I'm gonna walk up that. I'm gonna climb up that.
Okay, I'm recording you. You want to leave your backpack behind?
Yeah. Okay. I just want to see what it looks like up there. I might even take a picture from up there. This is why these boots are nice to have. My mom is saying, Ernie, míralo, míralo. Ay, ¿qué estás haciendo tú?
Travieso.
Y eso, Ay, Ernesto, get down from there.
I can't laugh because then I'm going to move the camera.
Are you getting me?
Yes.
Good. And
I got this.
you know what I'm gonna do?
Bring the camera.
My payday. I should do it from up here.
Oh,
I'm gonna go down and get it. I could get it real quick right here.
okay.
I gotta do my selfie payday. Está más fácil. When my sister sees this, she's gonna say, God, you sound just like Boo. Let's try this. Ernie attempting the rock again. Take two. Now there's a red button on the very top. You won't be able to do it. Never mind.
I'm busy. I'm holding on to too many.
You're holding on to two things.
I'm geared up.
And my selfie is going to be like this, and I hope I can get you. Where are you at? There we are. 3, 2, 1. Perfect.
I think I'm
Am I
so...
hysterical?
A little bit.
Am I a little... ¿Por qué estás haciendo eso, Ernesto?
I think it's still recording, but I can't see.
Así eres tú. I showed you the picture of my dad on the edge of Grand Canyon, right?
Yeah.
No?
Yeah.
Thank you. No, it's just I stepped wrong. It's easier to step wrong going down.
Yeah. There's a lot of rocks here.
Yeah. Okay. You've reached...
You want to go first?
You've reached the peak of Stonewall.
Yes.
What is your first impression?
It was beautiful up there.
It's nice, huh?
Beautiful.
Yeah. Except for the company up there for the first part.
That too.
Except for the company up there.
Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't
The
hear
first ones, the loud
word.
ones, and then once it was
great.
Very nice view from up there.